Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign into Google and open Google Sites to begin your new site. Click the plus button to create a blank site or pick a template you like. Give the site a clear name and set the header type to large, banner, or title only. Choose a layout ratio of 16:9 for better visuals on desktop and mobile. Add a favicon that matches your branding to help visitors recognize your site. Save your progress often while you prepare to build pages and content. Open the Pages panel to create new pages and nest subpages for structure. Arrange pages in the navigation menu to define how visitors will move through your site. Use Insert to add text boxes, images, buttons, and embed code for external content. Drag files from Google Drive directly into a page to display documents, slides, and sheets. Apply section layouts and use columns to control flow and spacing for responsive design. Preview your pages in desktop and mobile modes to confirm that content displays correctly across devices. When ready, click Publish and choose a custom domain or use the site's Google.com address. Set sharing permissions so only team members access drafts or make the site public for everyone. Configure navigation settings and footer content that appear across all pages before republishing changes. Use version history to restore earlier drafts and to track edits if you make mistakes. Connect Google Analytics or Search Console for traffic data and basic SEO insights. After publishing, test links, load times, and mobile responsiveness to ensure a professional visitor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.